Potential and challenges of organic coffee. As demand for sustainable and ethical food production continues to grow, the coffee industry has seen a surge in interest in organic coffee. Organic coffee is grown without the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, and is often shade-grown, providing important habitat for birds and other wildlife. While organic coffee has many potential benefits, there are also challenges associated with its production and distribution. One of the main challenges facing the organic coffee industry is the cost of certification. In order to be certified organic, coffee farmers must comply with strict regulations and undergo regular inspections. The cost of certification can be a significant barrier for small-scale farmers, who may not have the resources to invest in organic practices or pay for certification. This can limit the availability of organic coffee and make it more expensive for consumers. Another challenge facing the organic coffee industry is the issue of scale. Many organic coffee farmers are small-scale producers, often working on family-owned plots of land. While this can provide important economic opportunities for farmers, it can also limit their ability to compete with larger coffee producers. Organic coffee may also be more vulnerable to weather and pest-related challenges, which can have a greater impact on small-scale farms. Despite these challenges, there is significant potential for the organic coffee industry to grow and thrive. Consumers are increasingly interested in sustainable and ethical food production, and are willing to pay a premium for organic products. By investing in organic practices, coffee farmers can also improve soil health and reduce the environmental impact of their operations. In addition to the potential benefits for farmers and consumers, organic coffee also has important implications for biodiversity conservation. Shade-grown coffee farms provide important habitat for a variety of bird species, including migratory songbirds. By supporting organic coffee production, consumers can help to protect these important habitats and support biodiversity conservation. To overcome the challenges facing the organic coffee industry, it will be important to invest in research and development, as well as education and outreach to farmers and consumers. Initiatives that provide support for small-scale farmers, such as access to credit and technical assistance, can also be important for promoting organic coffee production. By working together, farmers, consumers, and other stakeholders can help to build a more sustainable and equitable coffee industry, one cup at a time. Organic coffee is a growing trend in the coffee industry, and it presents both potential benefits and challenges for farmers, consumers, and other stakeholders. As consumers become increasingly interested in sustainable and ethical food production, demand for organic coffee is expected to continue to grow. However, the production and distribution of organic coffee presents a number of challenges that must be addressed in order to ensure its long-term viability. One of the primary challenges facing the organic coffee industry is the cost of certification. In order to be certified organic, coffee farmers must comply with strict regulations and undergo regular inspections. The cost of certification can be a significant barrier for small-scale farmers, who may not have the resources to invest in organic practices or pay for certification. This can limit the availability of organic coffee and make it more expensive for consumers. Additionally, Certification requirements may be difficult for farmers to understand or comply with, particularly if they are not familiar with organic farming practices. Another challenge facing the organic coffee industry is the issue of scale. Many organic coffee